The topic of this video, hazard communication, discusses potential hazards, including materials that may cause fire or explosions or result in injury through ingestion, inhalation, skin contact, or eye contact. Explaining the chemical hazards that employees are exposed to at work. The requirements for labels and other forms of warning. Safety data sheets must be used and accessible at all times and between workplaces. The SDS must follow the global harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals, for each hazardous chemical use. If the employer becomes aware of any significant information regarding hazards of a substance, it must be added to the SDS within 3 months. The qualities that make a chemical hazardous are flammable materials, combustible materials, and explosive chemicals. Corrosive chemicals, acids, and caustics, which affects employees and are irritating and damaging to the eyes or skin on contact. The hazards through inhalation include ingestion or body contact and any known or suspected carcinogen. Training must be provided when a new chemical is used in the workplace. Chemical-specific information must always be available. Providing information on labeling systems and precautionary measures. Documentation of safety and health training must include the employee's name and the training date. The type of training provided and maintained for 1 year. Each hazardous chemical must be labeled regarding the hazardous chemical by using a product identifier, signal word, hazard statement, pictogram, or a precautionary statement. The name, address, and telephone number of the chemical manufacturer, importer, or other responsible parties. An up-to-date inventory of all chemicals in stock in destinations must be compiled for the workplace and individual work areas. The full name must be referenced on the SDS and CAS number, and the amount, including the responsible party, location, and expiration date if applicable. All spills must be cleaned up as soon as possible and disposed of in a responsible manner. This concludes another CMS Safety video. Please subscribe for updates. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment.